lawyers, this video is how your website works with meta ads. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Hi, I'm Mary Cary, your website developer, marketing agency founder, not a very good singer, but I play a mean guitar. I'm here singing to get you to actually click on my video and watch it. Anyway, welcome to my video, and this is how your website works with Meta video ads. And of course, Meta is the company that owns Facebook and Instagram, so I'm talking about paid ads that go out on both platforms. Before we jump in, let me introduce myself. My name is Mary Cary, legal marketing specialist and founder of GoMedia Marketing Productions. Since 2008, we've been helping lawyers just like you grow and streamline their firms with these videos, speaking around the world, and services like intake, website development, video production, search engine optimization, and advertising on pretty much every platform. We know your niche. We offer you a full agency experience, coaching, and online courses for those on a budget. So let's dive into today's topic. Oh, but first, please email me. I want to know, what are your dreams for growing your law firm? As a law firm, you know how important it is to get your message out to potential clients. Animoto says that 64% of consumers said watching a marketing video on Facebook has influenced a purchasing decision in the last month. And while Meta video ads are a powerful tool to reach new audiences, they're only a part of the equation. In fact, your website plays a crucial role in converting those visitors into clients. So, how does your website work with meta ads? Here are a few key things to keep in mind, and I won't sing them. Landing pages. When you run a meta ad campaign, you want to make sure that you're sending visitors to a relevant landing page on your website. This means creating a page that speaks directly to the message that's in your ad with a clear call to action to convert those visitors into potential clients. User experience. Your website user experience is crucial in converting those leads into clients. Make sure that your website is easy to navigate, loads quickly, looks modern and good, and provides the information potential clients need to make a decision about working with your law firm. Tracking. Finally, it's really important to track the results of your meta ad campaigns to see how they're performing. By using tools like Google Analytics, other tools too that I found lately, you can see that the pages on your website are generating the most leads and adjust your campaigns accordingly. In fact, I've been using a tool lately that has a thing that says, new visitor, new visitor. It can drive you crazy, but it's good to know that they're actually visiting the website. So there you have it, how your website works with meta ads. Oh, and if you're ready to start seeing results with meta ads and grow your law firm, we're here to help. Contact us today and schedule a free consultation and see if we can help your law firm grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Are you tired of struggling with your law firm's marketing with so many vendors out there who just don't understand your niche? Do you want to bring in more clients without spending all your time and money on advertising? Well, we've got great news for you today. For a limited time at GoMedia Marketing Productions, we're offering our full service meta ads package, and we're going to offer this just to 4 brand new personal injury law firms. I mean, you don't have to be a new law firm, but you'll be new to us. We'll create engaging video content, launch and tweak your campaigns, and even answer every inquiry that comes in on your behalf. This is also that you can focus on what you do best, which is practicing law. Normally, our agency fees are no less than $5,600 per month, not including your meta ads budget. But for these select few law firms, we're cutting our prices by nearly half. And this is because we believe in the power of our services and we want to help you succeed. Call me anytime or reach out by email, mary@gomediamarketing.com.